everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute mouse step by step. So let's get started. First, we'll start with the basic outline of the mouse. Begin by drawing a large circle for the head and a smaller circle below it for the body. Next, add 2 small circles on top of the head for the ears. Draw another smaller circle inside each ear to create a sense of depth. Now let's draw the arms and legs. Now, let's work on the face. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes inside the head circle. Brown color.
Splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And there you have it. A cute little mouse drawing.